Welcome to Factory Process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
We store our most precious materials in this vault.
Each gold panel undergoes rigorous X-ray fluorescence analysis to confirm its 24-karat purity.
The selected wood blocks move to a climate-controlled chamber, where they're stacked on slatted shelves.
Careful, careful. Easy now. Looks good on this side. Clear over here.
Make sure the primary fuel line is secured before connecting the auxiliary. Got it.
Transcription. All right, lift it up slowly. Got it. Got it. Easy does it.
This system compares measurements to CAD specifications with micron-level accuracy.
The gold-clad door assemblies are installed onto the chassis. The hinges accept the doors perfectly. The gold door At the front assembly station, the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, the Parthenon grille, is prepared for installation. In the wood finishing booth, an artisan applies the first of 6 coats of hand-rubbed lacquer to the wood panels. This sound-deadening material, combined with the gold exterior, will create the legendary Rolls-Royce silence. Seatbelt mechanisms are installed and anchored to structural mounting points, tested to withstand thousands of pounds of force.
Transcription S. The headliner, leather-wrapped and featuring the optional Starlight headliner, with hundreds of fiber optic lights.
Side windows and the rear window are similarly installed. Each piece of glass is acoustic laminated for maximum sound isolation.
The massive panoramic sunroof, also made of acoustic glass, is installed into the gold roof panel.
Bài tặng nào mới đáng cơ lọt đàn cứ sống tự hiện mà nó đại đẹp lặng nhỉ thản vạn ngàm sổ đápที่ดังส่วนด่านครับ
The battery, a high-capacity AGM unit, is installed in the trunk. Terminals are cleaned, protective spray applied,
ไปในชาติมีครับเมืองฝากติงคอดกันครับการท่านมีกับการฝากปุ่มนะครับหลอกบ้านนะกาถิ่นด่านทาง
The VIN plate is installed on the driver's door pillar. The VIN is also etched into the window glass and stamped into the chassis.
Nít chập tặng trang lý thịt nương thạp Lo tặng thăng tỷ phụm nên mi tàng chắc cần thông nè
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.